Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for all things beauty and beyond. If you're always on the lookout for travel accessories that blend practicality with style, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into a review of the Vorspack Toiletry Bag Hanging Dopp Kit for Men, a water-resistant canvas shaving bag that promises a large capacity and sleek design. Let's see how it stacks up. First, let's take a look at the key features. This toiletry bag measures 10 by 5 by 5.5 inches, offering a generous main compartment that easily accommodates facial cleansers, electric shavers, travel-size shampoo, and more. Inside, you'll find 3 small mesh pockets and 1 long mesh pocket with a zipper to keep your toiletries neatly organized. Additionally, there's a front zipper pocket to offer even more storage options, perfect for those small items that need to be easily accessible. The bag is made of durable, water-resistant canvas material, complemented by PU leather accents. This design ensures the bag maintains its shape, even after multiple uses, while offering a level of water protection to keep your toiletries safe from splashes. Plus, it has no unpleasant odors, which is a big win when you're dealing with travel gear. What about real-world use? I've tested this bag during several trips, and I found it very easy to pack and organize. The main compartment comfortably fit all my essential items, and the mesh pockets inside help separate everything without making it feel cramped. The front zipper pocket was particularly handy for things like toothpaste and floss that I wanted to access quickly. As far as ease of use goes, the sturdy leather handle made carrying and hanging the bag a breeze, and the SBS zipper ran smoothly throughout my testing. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Vorspack Toiletry Bag excels in organization. It has plenty of compartments, which help keep my items organized and accessible, especially during trips. The water-resistant canvas is another highlight, offering some peace of mind that my toiletries are safe from the occasional splash. The overall construction feels solid, and the leather handle adds a touch of sophistication and durability. On the downside, while the bag is spacious, it could feel a bit bulky for minimalist packers or those with limited luggage space. Also, while the water resistance works well for splashes, it's not intended to be fully submerged. So if you're looking for a bag that can handle wet conditions or heavy rain, this might not be the best choice. When it comes to value for money, the Vorspack Toiletry Bag offers a good balance of quality and functionality for the price. The construction is sturdy and the organization is well thought out. However, if you're looking for something ultra compact or for extreme waterproofing, you may want to consider other options. In terms of alternatives, there are several toiletry bags on the market that offer similar features, such as the Herschel Chapter Toiletry Kit and the Nomadic Toiletry Bag. Both offer excellent organizational options and a similar aesthetic, but the Vorspack does stand out with its more affordable price and classic design. As for build quality and longevity, the Vorspack Toiletry Bag feels well constructed, with its sturdy canvas and leather reinforcements. While I haven't had it for long enough to speak on its long-term durability, the material combination suggests that it should hold up well with regular use, especially when handled with care. Now, in terms of customer support, I haven't had the chance to interact with the brand directly, but the product's overall positive reputation online suggests that the company stands behind its products with good service. If you do have an issue, it's likely that they'd be responsive based on the general customer feedback available. If you're looking for an alternative at a lower price point, there are some other toiletry bags with similar features, but most tend to sacrifice some level of durability or organization. If you're on a budget, you might consider checking out options from Amazon's own brand or travel accessories brands that offer similar layouts for a lower price, but they might not match the quality here. To wrap it up, the Vorspack Toiletry Bag Hanging Dopp Kit is a solid choice for anyone who needs a well-organized, durable toiletry bag that offers great value. It's perfect for frequent travelers who appreciate a classic, sturdy design and need something that can keep their essentials in order. If you're okay with a bit of extra bulk and don't need it to be fully waterproof, this could be a great fit. Before you go, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more reviews and tips from Beautyistic. Got any thoughts or questions about this bag? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take, especially if you've already used it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, travel smart and pack stylish with Beautyistic.